Okay. This is how you update your YouTube layout. Okay. Go all the way up here. It says Edit Channel. Okay. Now you see there's little icons over there. Little icons right there. Okay. Go over to Channel Design. You gotta pick your own channel design. Like a grayish, bluish, gray and white, blue, gray, green. I personally would get orange because it's funky. Pink, purple, or red. Okay. You did all that stuff. Keep going, keep going. And it says Advanced Design. Customization. You can pick your background color. Just you pick all these colors. I personally would get like greenish or something. That looks really funky. I hit this and just purple, whatever. You get anything you want. There's a lot more stuff. Press pick, and you can get all these colors. Pick. Just press random. Okay. Pick all these. Oh, see, now look how kind of funky it looks. Okay. You could even get your own layout. I'll show you how to do it. Go up to File, if you have Firefox. Go to File, go to New tab, type in your website. If you already have it in here, Google. Here there's Google. Go to Images. Whatever, anything you want, I'll do. Funky. Here's stuff. Here's stuff. Here's this shit. Just get this. See it in full. Okay, now you go to address bar, highlight it, press do click, like how you stick it to the actual click button, click it on, copy, go back to your YouTuber, go down, go to background image URL, paste it, and then go to update channel, go to view, public, okay, there you go. You see it? Okay. That's how you make a pimped out YouTuber. Okay?